Hello everyone, this is May De Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm here. I have a love letter. Charot. Love letter. So I get this card because you can avail pizza 1 by 1 take 1. That's what they said. Yeah. And then here. So we will try it tonight. If we can, this is true. Okay. So this is Angel Pizza. Yeah.
Is it Angels or Angelo?
An angel. And then I need to bring this kind of stuff that
An ID showing your floor
proof that that's me, that I order it. And then this is the reminders.
What kind do you want with the free one?
I don't know.
The same or the ground beef or the meat?
Maybe kuan.
You'll have to ask them.
Yeah.
What's available for the free one? If you don't talk normal and legitimate, then people don't understand.
So this is the life. Shall we try?
You have. So was it worth it?
It's worth it.
And the one was free?
Yeah, that one is free. This one is what you call that?
A free pizza?
Come
on, get out of there.
Hello guys, good evening. So we are trying about the Angel's Pizza card. I order one, then I try it tonight. So if that is true, that when you buy a one pizza box, if you have a card, that card is the lifetime card for you. That every time you go there, you will use the card, so you can have your one box. So it's true. We go there and I order a pizza, pepperoni. Then I get one Hawaiian pizza for free. The price of that pepperoni is 699. So I get one pizza for free. So it's worth it. So try you guys. You buy a card, so you can avail the free one.
What's the name of the store?
Angel Pizza. So thank you so much for watching. Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life guys with your family and I will say bye bye. See you.